friends, welcome to Code Generator. Myself Apurva. So I hope you are all doing fine and good. In this video, I am going to teach you about difference between Django and Python. Before going to the difference, let me give you about the introduction. So first let's start with Django. So Django is a web-based Python program that enables you to easily build powerful web applications. It offers built-in features for everything from the Django admin interface. So, the default database used for Django is SQLite 3 and the version is 3. So, now let me give the introduction about Python. So, Python is a high-level interrupt object-oriented programming language that has large enormous library support, making the implementation of various programs and algorithms easy. It has set of language and object-oriented approach aims to help the programmers to write clear, logical code for various projects. Now, let me go and give you the difference between them. So, the first difference is Django is a web framework, whereas Python is a programming language. Django is basically a MVC, that is Model View Controller framework, built on top of Python. Django is mostly used in web-based applications and servers, whereas Python is basically a interactive, object-oriented and high-level programming language which runs on compiler level. So next, Django is used for web development, whereas Python is used for development frameworks like Django, Flask and many more. Django is mostly used in web-based application and servers, whereas Python is used to create web application, data analysis, artificial intelligence, software development and etc. So Python and Django are most in need for the programmers. So next, Django also uses concepts of object-oriented programming language for core concept of Python, whereas Python has its own syntax, data types and its own rules of object-oriented program. So Java has its own, and Java and Python are different. Both are programming languages only, both are object-oriented, since Python has its own data types and syntax. So popular applications like YouTube, Dropbox, Flipkart, Instagram are built up on top of Django framework, whereas Python is used in building desktop-based applications, artificial intelligence, machine learning and etc. So most of the projects are built using Python nowadays. So you can go to another video and see the top 8 Python projects in my another videos. So I hope this video was informative and useful. If you have any queries and questions, please comment in the comment section or contact us in the Instagram, Gmail or anything. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. I hope you all like it. Thank you. Thank you once again.